This is my mango tree. There was a very windy, a very rainy storm that come through the other night, and this is the result of my mangoes. This mango is the best mango ever. I don't know if you ever tried it. It tastes so good. It gives you all the spices, all in there, all the natural spices like ginger, cinnamon, nutmeg. All the spices are in this mango. The wind come, dropped all of them, and I was waiting for it this year to enjoy a few and also share with my friends. Now there's a little bit of 'em remaining up there, but not a whole lot. Not not a whole lot. I'm not happy, but it's life. Look at all gone. No more mangoes for this year. Just a little bit of mangoes. And meanwhile, this is my air layering orange. This is my compost. I use compost to garden. And this bin here also a compost. When it's ready, I'm gonna put something in it. Maybe a mango or avocado or something. Sour sop maybe. And here I have the king of the world, turkey berries. Turkey berries. You do research. I don't want to say it, but do your research. I have a lot of it. If you're anywhere in Miami and not Miami, let me know. I have a lot of it. I have a lot of plants. If you need plants, come check me in North Miami. This is my germination table. It's all our turkey berries, most of them. Everything you see in this garden for sale. By the way, I use rain water. I have a lot. Okay. Over here, I have germinated a whole lot. I have some sorrel, oreganos, pepper, a whole lot of things in that plate. I mean that bin. I got my salsa leaves. Got a lot of them. I have guinea weed, guinea hen weed. I have a lot of that too. Pretty much everything you see here, I have a lot of them. I have purple sugar cane. These are sour sop. Transplant them, I think last month. Almond trees, avocados growing, orange, and here I have a lot of star fruit. All those are star fruit. I have a lot of star fruit in there. Before I used to germinate, put them to germinate. When I see them, I pull them out. I didn't know what it was. So now I understand what they look like. I have a lot of them in here. They'll be transplanted soon. And here I have sugar cane. Those are the purple one. And this avocado just pop up. Chayote. I have chayote, oregano, oreganos. All for sale. $10 a pot. If you need 100 pots, I can give it to you. Turkey berries. This is root beer plant. Make good tea. Also, I believe they say good for some sexual transmitted diseases. This is I have back there the purple sugar cane. But those for plants. This is where it comes from. From one, that was one plant that I planted last year, and they gave me that one. There was more. I gave away some, but I decided to make plant with them. I sell the plant $20. If you don't have, if your ground is not capable of growing sugar cane, get yourself a big pot like this, and that's it. It'll grow. This is a dwarf bananas. I think I have three plants of them. No, four. I have one, two, three. I have one more somewhere, a smaller one. All oregano. They're for sale. $10 a pot, and this thing grows so quick, so fast growing. And I have a mixed one. This is the Cuban oregano, and this one. So I just made this one. Oh man, I forgot to plant my avocado. Just some avocados. I'm gonna plant them today. I pull them up the one of those things the other day, like this one I think it was. So this thing can grow up. This is Dashin. Is there only one? Yeah, this is Dashin. And it's grow. You won't believe what happened to me last week. I cooked a piece of this Dashin, and I tried to taste it. It was hot. I swallowed it, and it stuck in my throat. Like for the whole week, I was sick. Not only burning my throat, and it made me sick. I wasn't able to eat for like 5 days. I wasn't able to eat anything, so I had to drink liquid. This taro ready long ago, but I never harvested. This is one of the bulb that pop up, make another tree. So today I'm gonna do a transplant. I'm gonna put it in a pot. That taro sold for $3.99 a pound in the store. Look the color of it. There are two types. There's that type and that type. This one is the expensive one, $4 a pound. And I have a whole lot in down there. I haven't harvested yet. So that'll give me bulb. I can make more plants. And this is my avocado. One of my avocado tree that's growing. It's in a pot down there that's sitting in rainwater because it's rained a lot this week, the whole week. I have one down there with soursop seedling in it, ready to transplant, and my purple sugar cane. If you want any plants, let me know. I have a lot of them. Just get yourself a few pot like this and put some good soil, water. They love water. You gotta water them a lot. And this is one of my orange tree I planted a few years ago. I'm gonna tie it this way so they can stay in the sun. They keep falling on this side. So in a few years we have oranges. This is moringa. I cut it last month, 2 months, yeah, a month ago, and it's already shooting back. If you're looking for moringa, it's free. Come get it. Come harvest them. It's free for you. And this is Haitian mango, mango blanc. I had this thing going over it, and it almost killed it. As soon as I removed it, it started coming back. Mango blanc, that's the Haitian mango. One of Haitian, one mango. And that one, oh, I saved some. Thank you. That's mango francique. The wind didn't drop all of them. I see one on the other side. I see one here, and there's one up there. Yeah, yeah, maybe three or four. The first mango, first time it's bloom. It bloomed before, but it never bloomed. Mm, it never bloomed. It never saved any. The second time it saved some. And let's move over here. Sugar cane, $25. Yeah, come pick it up in North Miami. It's already produced three extra, so it needs to be in the ground. Sweet potato. This is the Beauregard sweet potato, and this is the purple sugar cane. If you need anything, let me know. Leaf of life. I have a lot of it. A lot of leaf of life growing in here and the other side. I have a whole lot. I have the Cuban oregano. A lot. This avocado is in these big pots that they grow. The bigger, the more money. Star fruit. Oh, yeah, I need to plant those. Barbados cherry, that thing been there for like 2 years. It don't grow fast. And it's only been there for a few months. Soursop grow a lot faster. These avocado, I'm going to remove them today. So this can have space to grow, room to grow. They have like 3 plants in here. Gonna remove them. Sweet potatoes. Pineapple look like it's dying. But has some lima bean going on it. Purple sugar cane. There's one there. Massive oregano. Dandelion for cancer. A lot of oreganos. Sapodilla, the big one. Come get it. Oh, I have more turkey berries. Right now, I sell these for $15. Next month, they're gonna be $30. If you need any turkey berry, get it now. The price going up. Price going up every week. Not every week. Oh, it's doing well over there. Let's figure that out. So what's up? This is where the money at. This plant. One of those what do you call it? One of those berries, maybe holding maybe 60 or 70 seeds inside. And each seeds, tiny seed, when they germinate, they become like this and they get bigger, bigger, bigger. You can sell them up to $40 a piece. So let's say you have 100 seeds in one berries at, let's say, $30 a piece. You're doing well. And they are growing fast. Right now, I'm stop selling them for $15. I'm letting them grow, but it don't take long to grow. I'm letting them grow and sell them for more. But I see the one I was selling for 15. I see them on the marketplace for $50. If you go on the marketplace, look for turkey berries, you will see mine for $15, and you see the next one for $50. Yeah? This is the inside of the garden. And this is a plant I planted. I'm not sure exactly what plant it is. I don't know if it's pomegranate, but I have two in it. I have to wait and see. This is a cotton. I always have cotton. I'm gonna transplant that today. And this is what do you call it again? Kid I think they call it stone in the back. If you have a kidney problem, you drink it, it'll stop it. Yeah. You can see there's some seeds. See? If you have kidney problem, you have bad fever, find it and drink it. Boil it and drink it. It's very good. I did it myself. This is my orange, air layering orange. I have cassava cutting for sale. If you need some, let me know. I'm in Miami. So let's go on the other side. We go. Soursop. If you need soursop leaves, let me know. We have mangoes. Lucky these didn't drop because it's low below the wind area. So let's see. Let's, see back there. You have avocado, mango coming up, avocados, wax apple or Ethiopian apple, Jamaican apple. Sugar cane is in these two pots. They're coming up. This one called castor plant. Got some cassava. A few years ago, I had some back here, and I let them stay for 2 years. When I come, they're all gone. There was not. They're rotten in the ground. See what I'm telling you? How the sugar cane work? One plant. Look how many seeds it put out. It's like one, two, three, 4, 5, 6. It's like 7 seeds come out of it. Just one plant. But in the ground, it will not do well. You have to put it in one of those things, and you have a lot of sugar cane. I do some pigeon peas in the spots. See, pigeon peas. This is Logan. I can have a lot of them. A lot. A lot of Logan. Here over here. I'm gonna put some salt in it. Later on, fill this up. This is Dashin. It made one bulb, one extra coming out. Now one over there. I think I need to put it into more sunny area. Yeah, this need to be moved into the sunny area. See my gingers growing. Back over here, you have taro, you have avocado. This is mango blanc, and here I have a lot of dasheen. Just planted a few last month. I think I did. Sugar cane. If you need sugar cane, let me know. A lot. I have a lot. I'll teach you how to grow them. You don't have to put. If your ground is dry, you need to get one of those big pots. Put it in the center of it. Put some mulch, organic mulch, like grass clipping, and just set it in there. It'll grow. Huge sugar cane. You got a lot of coconuts. See them up there? That's how big they are. They're huge. You want to have big coconut, they be produce more than a glass of juice, water. It's an avocado. Been in there for a while. In there, I have a lot of stuff growing: mangoes, avocados, dragon fruit. I need to have a special day to clear them out, put them in different pots. I have another Logan in there. I have taros in there, a lot, and the sugar cane growing also. there, sapodilla, avocado, oregano, jackfruit, see orange tree. Not you have a lot, but not too much. Not like last year. Anyway, please, if you like what you see, give me a like, share, and subscribe to my channel, please. I don't have a lot of subscribers, but I would love to have some. Please have a beautiful day. Oh, sorry again. I'm in North Miami. If you're looking for plants, let me know. I have a lot of plants. It's best now to start planting if you have the space because everything are expensive. It's best you go your own and you can eat healthy and knowing what you are eating. Have a beautiful day. Thank you.